My name is Pooja Rawat. I'm from the northern part of India, a very tiny state called Uttarakhand. I was born and brought up there, so I did my schooling from there. Then I moved to our neighboring state, Uttar Pradesh, and I did my bachelor's from there, my BTech in biotech. And then after completing my biotech, I moved to another state, the capital of India, Delhi, and I initially started working as the in-game technical consultant for Electronic Arts, and then after that I switched to a cloud consultant for Microsoft. And in 2017 I got married and moved to Germany. So being an artist has been a lifelong journey for me. I was I was born with it. I got my interest and my ability to draw or paint from my parents. My mother and my father, they're both amazing artists apart from their regular jobs. And I think growing up, I have always been an admirer of beauty. And beauty being said, I see beauty in everything. So I've that's how I got it. So, yes, my academic background had an impact on my on me being an artist now, but not in a way that you would imagine. So when I was doing pursuing my biotech, I realized that that's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to be an artist, and so realizing that I want to be an artist was the impact that my education had on me. I think watercolor medium has always been one of my favorite mediums to paint with. Uh, Saying that means my father is a watercolorist too. Like he does watercolors. So, we take something from our parents. So that was something that I like to say that I got it from my papa. So I inherited those genes of watercolors. And I think for especially when we are painting human life, it's like we are made of 70% water. So I don't think there's a better medium to paint humans. So, yeah. My fascination for understanding the expression of human, or the complexity of human thought process is what draws me to paint people, and especially for the fact that I paint people that I don't know, because once I start painting people I know, I get too involved in my personal emotions for that person. So I prefer painting people that I don't know, and it's all about capturing the essence of their emotion. So, for example, one of the portraits that I've done is called Utsu. It's it basically is a portrait of a grandma from a tribe in the northern eastern part of India called Ao Naga. So they are one of the oldest and one of the very few remaining tribes of Naga people in India. And they're beautiful people. They are very welcoming. They have this ideology of being self-sufficient, and I love that about them. So I wanted to showcase the fact that India is more than just the colors, the festival, and the food. I wanted to showcase some indigenous tribes of India. So that one is really special for me. Yes, Germany has been a very positive impact. Moving to Germany has been a very positive impact, positive thing for my artwork or my artistic life, because when I was in India, I was working a 9 to 5 job, and that gave me literally no time to indulge into my artistic endeavors. So after I moved to Germany, my husband motivated me a lot to pursue my art, and I did that. And I remember posting my one of my portraits online in one of the groups, and there was this lady. She motivated me a lot to post my work online, and once you start having that audience, uh, you always try to improve yourself. So that's what I did. So over the period of 1 year, I tried to perfect my art of making portraits. So Germany has impacted beautifully and positively in my artistic journey. Art is a lifelong journey for me, and I would like to continue on that journey, learn the different mediums, learn the different, the media of art, the learn sculpting maybe, or some other form of art. And then if everything goes to plan, I would like to be able to teach art someday, help people get their creatives out. So yeah.